and welcome to Animal Shelter Simulator 2. And I don't think we played this on the channel before, so that's why we're playing it. First the junk. Fix that to clean it. Alright. We have to build our Animal Shelter Simulator. Why is my sensitivity so high? Phew. Mouse sensitivity. Yep. Could be a little better. Yes, I'm sure. Alright, resume. Clean this place up a little bit more. Alright. Let's clean up our shelter. Apparently. Dog park area? Is that what it said? Huh. Oh, main building. Where did I get dog park from? Dog cages. There it is. Okay. Clean up the reception. 05. Well, buddy, I'm still cleaning up out here. Don't want the cats and dogs to hurt themselves walking around. Oof. A lot of trash. So far, this is very peaceful. Reception. Okay, what is going on in here? Okay, clean up the reception. Whoa. Okay. In the corridor. Oh, wow. Okay. What was this place? Junkyard? Have the isolation room? Oh. Yeah. Right. Dog's turn. Up the garage. Alright, is this the garage? Yep. Can I get this truck out of here? No. Or up the isolation room. Which one? Rest of the cat room? Or this? There's an arrow pointing to it. Yeah. There you go. Alright. Clean up the isolation. What? Oh. This one. Whoops a daisy. Clean the dog enclosure. Clean out outdoors. Didn't I clean up outdoors? Not this part, I guess. There you go. Open the tablet. Oh. Whew. Okay. It's fixing itself. Right. Open the tablet, open center cages, drag the cage into the grid, press apply. Back cages? Manage cages. Oh. Which money do I have? Wait, those are the funds. There we go. Right, dog cages. That? No. Not enough money. Oh. Rip. Yeah, I don't want to do that. Packages. Okay. Map. Oh, cat. Perugro. House cat. Perugro. Tablet. Your operator hub for the shelter. Use it to manage your workers, access the shop, look up animal information, See the map and so much more. Truly a marvel of technology. This is the animals living in the area. Oh, doggies. It is where either the animals shelters, cats or dogs sleep, eat and rest. Each animal needs their own separate cage in order to be most comfortable. Cages are not a place to play with the animals. The dog or cat enclosure is designed for all kinds of fun. Is a place. The cages are supposed to be the animal's home, so they need to feel as relaxed as they can possibly. Oh, okay. Don't run me over, man. You got my cat? Got pet. Oh? Oh, hello. Take care of the animals. Good lord. The animals in the shelter can be in rough shape to begin with. Take care of their health and needs in order to improve their well-being. Increase their chance for adoption. Feed them to reduce their hunger. Give them water when they are thirsty. Let them rest when they are tired. Heal them when they are sick or injured. Maintain their vigor. Uh, maintain their vigor. Vigor. Vigor? Vigor? Vigor. I think. By seeing the reactions to different. Okay, nope, I'm not reading all this. This kind of looks like yellow. Alright, buddy. Here you go, man. Dude, this place is a dump. Why do I want Mr. Putin Bottoms to back in there? Oh, I pet him. Yeah. Little chin scratchy scratchy. Goofy ears. Little cat butt. Alright. Oh, it's okay, Fugo. Yeah. Buy food bowl, water. Okay. Shop. Chonky Mart. Chonky Mart. Okay, basic cat food. Bing, 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 bing. For 4 items. Purchase. Alright. Okay. Get you back in your kennel now. We're in lockdown. Where did this little gremlin go? Where did he go? Oh. Did I just lose the cat? Oh. What? No, you want to be picked up? Yeah. Here you go, man. Delivery box. Okay. Okay. Oh, boom. There we go. Alright. I played this in 2024. If you go. Large otter water. That. Inverted scroll wheel. Good. There you go, man. Am I really. Oh, freaking water bottle? Train your animal to increase their fun. Get over here. There you go, man. Go to sleep. No, I want to keep petting Fugo. Frugo. Little stinker's name is. Whatever his old name is. Yeah. Alright. Run gate to leave the shelter for the night. Oh. Okay. Today's summary. $200. Yay. Hooray. Alright. Good night. Fugo. Okay. You fill everything. Hey, buddy. Hey, Bubbakins. Alright. More cat food. Christian, why are you looking at me like that? Yeah, he's a good boy. Buy laser and play with pet. Shop, boys, laser. There you go. $44 for a cat laser. Gosh. $44. You know, take it, cat laser. This is not worth $44. How far does this reach? It'll be 44 if it reaches that building over there. I don't know, the crosshair's in the way. Get over here. Get over here, stinky. 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 Oh, pet? Oh. Hmm. Over here. Cat laser? What are you doing? My little guy. My little Fugo. Alright. Hey, with pet. I'm gonna take you to this outside play area. Good. You go. How do you want to play? No? Oh, there you go. Slang. I just discovered that a second ago. Good time. To be honest, playing with the animals is the best part of having a shelter. Throw a ball for your dogs, use a laser to play with your cats to form lasting memories. Tablet open camera, take a photo of your animals. Eee. Oh, you're posing. Yay. Pose mode. A photo. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. My little munchkin. Up for a Oh, I'm sorry if you go. He's already ready? What? Option ready. When this bar reaches this point, how do I know when it reaches? One day seems fine. Actually, let's do a week. Yes, okay. Day. Oh. Reach. Yeah. New accuracy. There you go. If you go, you'll find a home. There you are. Post dad. Alright. Hey, bye, Buzz. Take a photo of you or something? Bro, why am I so fast? Why, it's shift on. Food. Your food, man. Let's try to get some more cats. Shelter. Furnish cage. Let's get some more. There you go. Oh, you're gonna have a roommate. Yay. Alright. District is locked. District is locked. Okay, no cats. Yarn. Yarn? Yarn? Spying poster. Yarn. Yarn. Hat Rave poster? This is just a green screen. What? Hi. I'm drinking some water, I think. Invite. Wait. Buy a leash? Did he get adopted? Where'd a leash be? Last year. $22. How is a leash cheaper than cat laser? Shouldn't. He already got like adopted? Hold up. Animals on shelter. Adopters. Caroline and Ella. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Patrick. Ellen has a cat in the photo though, so as soon as possible. Okay. So, police. Welcome to potential adopter. Wow. Nope, no one. Leash. No, let them know each other. Oh, wait, that's the adopter. Sheep barefoot. She's barefoot. Hugo. Frugo. I don't think you want to be adopted by her. She's walking around the city barefoot. Mine a little booger face. How do I whistle again? Wait, how do I whistle? Forgot. Oh. Okay, what did I do? Okay. So it's C. Okay, you're not barefoot. That Pokemon card, Trouble in Paradise, pick up. You have earned an achievement for gathering collectibles. Okay, wonderful. Or dialogue. Welcome to our shelter. How may I help you? Hello, I'm looking to adopt a cat. Can you help me? Sure, follow me. Alright. I have a little cat right here. Here you go. Cat. I'm gonna leave you guys to it. Alright. What do you have to say about Fugo? Have you made your decision? Yep. So what's it gonna be? Yes, I'd love to if you let me have it. Sure, take good care of it. It? It's not an it. It's a cat. Please take care of Fugo. And don't call it it. Patient. Yeah. Oh. Match perks. Perfect. Washing room. Washing room. Lock location. Yep, the washing room. What is the washing room? Oh, you give them bats. Reception on. Whew. Alright, guys, I think I'm gonna end it here. And you know the drill. If you want to see more of Animal Shelter Simulator 2, make sure to like and subscribe for more. Alright. So I'll see you guys all in the next one.